In a quiet village where the days were gentle and the nights were full of wonder, two friends shared a bond stronger than anything the world could offer. Luna, with long silver hair and blue eyes, always carried a small lantern. Luna was gentle and kind, always looking beyond the horizon for something magical. Kai was different but perfectly matched. With a tiny orange fox always nearby and a heart full of adventure, Kai was bold and determined, ready for whatever the world would bring. One evening, something extraordinary appeared in the distance. Without hesitation, they set out together, following the mystery beyond the village and into the unknown. The path led them through shadows and silence, until suddenly the world opened up before them. Coral Dream Cove stretched out in all its glory, a place where glowing coral shimmered with inner light, and sea turtles drifted through the air like living dreams. They explored with wide eyes and open hearts. Pearl gardens responded to their gentle touch, and singing whales seemed to welcome them as old friends. Deeper they ventured, discovering wonders at every turn. Local creatures, shy at first, grew bold enough to approach, sensing the children's kind spirits. Kai's a tiny orange fox made friends instantly, and soon they were all exploring together. But beauty sometimes hides sorrow. At the heart of Coral Dream Cove, they found its power source damaged and fading. The magic that sustained everything was slowly dying. Without hesitation, they knew what to do. Working alongside the creatures of Coral Dream Cove, they gathered what was needed. Every small offering of sea turtles brought a little more light back. Every act of care healed another crack. It was not easy. It required patience, courage, and trust in each other. But together, with the help of every creature who called this place home, they restored what was broken. The moment the power returned, Coral Dream Cove erupted in renewed beauty. Glowing coral blazed brighter than ever. Singing whales danced in celebration. The very air seemed to sing with gratitude. The creatures thanked them with gifts of light and crystal, small pieces of this magical place to carry forever. As dawn painted the sky in gold and rose, Luna and Kai said their gentle goodbyes. The path home was shorter than the journey there, as paths home always are. Back in their village, the world looked the same but felt different. Luna's a small lantern now held a permanent glow, and Kai planted a crystal keepsake in the garden behind their house. From their windows, they waved goodnight to each other. And in the garden, already, something small and magical had begun to grow. Coral Dream Cove would always be there, waiting for their return. And perhaps, on the quietest nights, its magic still reaches their village, carried on the wind. Good night. May your dreams carry you to magical places. That's all for tonight's story. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this episode, stay tuned for episode 4, where Luna and Kai will discover another magical place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new bedtime story. Sweet dreams, little ones. See you next time.